All right, here we go. I'm going to show you the T. First thing I do is I draw the T right here. With my pencil, I can make it a little bit darker so that way I can see it. It helps if I got the other side. So I'm going to come over here. It's not the easiest thing, but I just write lightly. You won't need to worry about having this on the other side when you're stitching, because you can just push the needle through and go, oh, I see it. This is the back. This is the front. Okay? I take my needle, my thread, I start from the back. First thing I do is a dolphin dive. This is the part that gets everybody confused. That's when I do that. Now I'm done. Now I go to the back stitch. I'm going to come up right there. In order to do that, I got to go over here. You can rewind the video and see how I did that. If you slip on the beginning, this is where most people mess up. Okay, now it's pretty straightforward. I'm doing the back stitch. I got to go back to the old hole. I create a new hole down the road. Then I go back to the old hole. I don't go beside it. I don't go near it. I go in the other old hole. All right? Now I go through like this. I pop this. Okay, now I'm here at the top. The question is, what do I do? I'm going to do what I did at the very beginning. I'm going to dolphin dive. I'm going to go through this hole. Whoops. Careful to check every once in a while to make sure that you don't get a knot. Now I'm going to go left. Close enough for them to see. All right, here's the first tricky part. I've gotten to the side of the T, and now I want to get back here. If I don't have a trick or a shortcut, I'm going to have to stop, end this, and then get another piece of string. I don't want to do that. I'm going to show you the shortcut that you'll use when you're doing your aprons or your pillowcases. I'm going to weave, going underneath my fabric, not going through the paper, not going super far. Each time I go underneath is close by the last one. And then I'm going to jump. I'm going to pop through that hole. And then I'm going to dolphin to the other side. Okay, then I go back to the back stitch. If you do get a knot, take your time. Do not just tug on the strings. You can make the knot worse. Sometimes you have to use your needle to help you. It's going to happen to you, though. You will get knots, and you'll have to take them out. That's why you always are gentle. Okay? Now I'm getting to the end of this. And here's how I end it. And if you don't get it this way, then you can watch a shorter video. That's all on ending it. Okay, that's 2. Again, I'm not going through the paper. That's 4. That's 5. And now I'm going to tunnel through that knot that I just made. I'll take my needle, go right through it. Take my scissors, cut it, and then I'm done.